Alright guys, now learn about the GitHub account setup and new project creation. Okay, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to visit github.com and you need to create an account. Okay, if you already have an account, you can click on sign up. But if you don't have an account, you need to create by clicking sign up. When you click on the sign up, it will take you the sign up page where you need to provide your email address, and that email address, once you submit or click continue, it will send you an email and complete the process. You will have your GitHub account that you can log in with your user ID and password. I already have an account, so I'm not going to this one. I'm going to GitHub login. Okay, just signing into my account, and that's my account. And this one, I'm going to write my password. Okay. So once I sign in, you can see I have a dashboard, and in this dashboard on the left side, there are my repository, like there's a learning Git repository I have, and then what we have a complete sign up process, like when I did the last changes and all the other stuff. Now we will go and click this plus icon at the top right. Okay, and you are going to click new repository over here. All right, so here in this repository, you are going to provide a name, and I am going to write, okay, let's say I'm going to write a first underscore project. Okay, this is my first project, and I'm going to write a little description. This is my first HTML, CSS project, or something you want to type. Then you need to decide your project will be a public project or public repository or a private repository. Usually we keep a public one because if you want to demonstrate your skill or you want to submit your resources to your company where you are applying for a job, you want to showcase your product, so public is the right one. But if you are working on a private project, then you can keep it private. There is an option to initialize this repository with README file. Let's add this file for now. And we don't want to put a git ignore. Git ignore is a way to ignore, or if you don't want to upload or submit any file to the server, then you can create a .ignore file and write down the name of the file or the folder that you don't want to submit or keep into your repository. Then there's a license version. We are not going to use any license for now. Let's create repository. Once you create the repository, it will give you the README file. It just come with the heading and the detail, the description that you type. And this is my first project name. It's a public project. Most of the things are written over here. Now we have done this part, and now the next phase, we will learn how we can configure this into our machine. Okay.